Importance of underinsured motorist coverage for motorcycle crashes. Motorcycle riding embodies the thrill of the open road, an exhilarating experience that appeals to the adventurous spirit in us. Yet, this freedom comes with inherent risks, especially when we consider accidents involving other vehicles. Motorcycle crashes can result in life-changing injuries, and in many cases, the responsible drivers may not carry adequate insurance coverage to sufficiently compensate the victims. This is where underinsured motorist coverage, UIM, reveals its profound importance, acting as a safety net that ensures motorcycle riders are protected in dire circumstances. Understanding underinsured motorist coverage. At its core, underinsured motorist coverage serves as a vital safeguard. It becomes relevant when the driver responsible for the accident does not possess enough insurance to cover the full extent of damages and injuries. This coverage steps in as a protective layer, bridging the financial gap between the insufficient insurance of the other driver and the actual costs incurred by the victim. This scenario highlights the pivotal role that UIM plays in ensuring that victims, often dealing with extensive medical bills, property damage, and other related expenses, aren't left bearing the overwhelming financial burden. The unique vulnerabilities of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycles, while offering a liberating experience, lack the protective shell that encases car occupants. This absence of physical barriers makes motorcycle riders considerably more vulnerable to the impacts of accidents. As a result, injuries sustained in motorcycle crashes tend to be significantly more severe, encompassing broken bones, traumatic head injuries, spinal cord damage, and tragically, even fatalities. Given the potential gravity of these injuries, the medical expenses and ongoing rehabilitation costs can quickly escalate to staggering amounts. This scenario underscores the critical role that underinsured motorist coverage plays in ensuring that the victim receives the compensation needed to address these costs adequately. Mitigating risks posed by uninsured and underinsured drivers. While liability insurance is a legal requirement in many jurisdictions, not all drivers adhere to these regulations. This creates a concerning scenario where some drivers may be uninsured, and others might carry only the minimum insurance required by law, which often proves insufficient to cover the full scope of damages. In the specific context of motorcycle accidents, the risks associated with encountering uninsured or underinsured drivers are heightened. Given the nature of motorcycle crashes and the potential severity of injuries, the importance of having underinsured motorist coverage becomes abundantly clear. It acts as a safety measure against the financial fallout resulting from accidents with drivers who lack adequate insurance. Our Denver motorcycle accident attorneys are experienced advocates for victims of uninsured drivers and help our clients pursue full compensation through uninsured and underinsured motorist policies. Bridging the financial gap for comprehensive protection. Underinsured motorist coverage essentially functions as a bridge, enabling riders to navigate the financial chasm that can emerge after an accident with an underinsured or uninsured driver. This coverage ensures that victims receive the compensation they deserve, encompassing medical bills, property damage, lost wages, and other associated expenses. This financial security is crucial for motorcycle riders, offering peace of mind that even in the face of an unfortunate accident, they won't be left struggling to cover the costs due to the insufficient insurance of the other driver. It's a safety net that provides the necessary breathing room for recovery without the added burden of financial strain. The emotional and financial respite for riders. The appeal of motorcycle riding is more than just the thrill of speed. It's a way of life for many enthusiasts. However, this lifestyle choice also comes with a heightened awareness of the inherent risks involved. Having underinsured motorist coverage isn't just a pragmatic decision. It's an emotional and financial respite for riders and their families. Simplifying the complex legal aspects. Navigating the aftermath of a motorcycle crash, especially concerning insurance claims and legal proceedings, can be a daunting task. Dealing with the intricacies of another driver's insurance can add unnecessary stress to an already challenging situation. Underinsured motorist coverage simplifies this process. In the event of an accident with an underinsured driver, filing a claim with your own insurance company is a streamlined approach. They take on the responsibility of negotiating with the other party's insurance, ensuring that you receive the compensation you need to cover your losses. This simplified process allows you to focus on recovery rather than getting entangled in complex legal matters. Conclusion. In the world of motorcycle riding, where the allure of the open road is matched only by the thrill of the journey, underinsured motorist coverage assumes an indispensable role. It stands as a pillar of financial security, ensuring that motorcycle riders can focus on their passion without being weighed down by the uncertainties of insurance inadequacies. Incorporating underinsured motorist coverage into your insurance portfolio is not just a practical decision. It's a statement of commitment to safety, responsibility, and the well-being of your loved ones. It's a choice that reflects an understanding of the unique risks faced by motorcycle enthusiasts and a determination to mitigate those risks through thoughtful preparation.